What if I told you you can create a good looking desk that can fit anybody's budget? Don't believe me? I'll show you at the end exactly how. I've been staring at these blank white walls for months, imagining all of the different possibilities for it. And to say I'm eager to install everything is an understatement. Spending months collecting all the different components, and now we're ready to go. I got back from Ikea about 9 p.m. and I stayed up until 2 a.m. installing and filming everything solo. Now, was that a bad idea, you ask? Yes, but I was committed to finishing it. My biggest regret was doing it by myself because it was way more time consuming. The saying, many hands make light work, has real world application. After I was done, I still felt like there was empty space on the wall, so I found a cheap version of wooden slats to fill in the space in the corner. Then on the left side above where I'm putting a table lamp, I installed a cheap metal poster that I got off of Facebook. Now at that point, I feel really good with the wall section. For my peripherals, the mouse that I'm using is a Logitech MX Master 3S. I've been using it for over a year and I have absolutely loved it. The wrist rest is made out of an aluminum material, as well as the keycaps on my keyboard. Disclaimer, I'm not sponsored, but I just love the brand Key, and I think it looks really good in my desk setup. I use my Steam Deck primarily docked, meaning I plug it into my monitor to play, and even though the quality isn't top tier, I really enjoy it. I want to build a PC, but that's down the road a little bit. One thing I love about the Steam Deck is the fact that I can play pretty much anything my heart desires, from emulation to FPS games to everything in between. This IKEA lamp stood out to me when we were there and earned a spot on the left side of my desk. The only downside, in my opinion, is it's not very bright, but I do love the look of it. Now this is a basic desk riser off of Amazon that only ran me $30. I didn't really want to spend hundreds on a fancy desk riser, so I settled with this. It has 2 drawers to put things like microfiber cloths, AirPods, and even M&Ms if you're a big back like me. My biggest recommendation when it comes to picking what kind of lighting that you want is to be cohesive with the choice that you pick. Example, going with Govee, or Philips Hue or Nanoleaf. As long as you have all of the lights from the same brand, it makes it a lot easier to control from a single app and to be cohesive. There is Google Home and other third parties that you can use to connect everything, but for a budget build, I just wanted to get decent products that weren't super expensive. The first pickup that I got was the Govee floor lamp. Now the installation was pretty simple with this. I did have a little bit of trouble putting the white diffuser in. I felt like I was gonna break it, but when I went to go plug it in, it works perfectly fine. So we're good. Next is the Govee light bars. I put one behind my monitor and then one underneath my desk. These were pretty cheap as well, and I'm pretty impressed at how decent the light is. On the back side of my desk is just a super cheap Govee LED strip. Last is the Govee smart bulb that I installed inside the Ikea lamp, and with this, all of my lights are cohesive and work together. The last thing that my desk is lacking is cable management. So like anyone, I spent a couple hours organizing and sticking everything up underneath so it's out of sight and looks nice and clean. I'm super happy with the end results, especially being on the budget side. This has been the biggest project that I've ever done, and it really does feel good to finally be able to enjoy this space. Whether I'm working or doing assignments or playing my Steam Deck, I just love spending time here. If y'all are still watching the video, I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun making this video and it took a lot of time. So if y'all like the video, I would appreciate it if you like or comment. But I just want to show you, this is my version of a budget desk setup. You can even go cheaper than what I did. There's so many different variables and I put everything on an Excel sheet so I can show you guys really quickly. My total came out to $1473. Now that's if I paid for every single thing that's on there. A lot of these things I've got from Christmas or gift cards or other things. So watch, if I go here and all these gifts I didn't pay for. That brings my total of everything that I put into this at about $900. Which in some cases are cheaper than singular standing desks. You can even go further. You can switch out items and you can make it a lot cheaper. You don't need a $159 keyboard. You can find a great one off of Amazon for 50 bucks. You don't need a wrist rest. So a lot of the things that I found and that I got were gifts, which made it a budget version for me. Hope you've enjoyed. I've had a lot of fun making this. Lots more videos to come, but I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next one.